Hi everybody, it's Therese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share an icy card, that I made for Yaleidy Ramos here on YouTube. She's having an icy challenge, and I wanted to enter it, several weeks ago. You know what happened, right? Okay. So I did Denny's icy card. Hers was 3.5 by 5. And it got me motivated to do it. I finally forced myself to do something, and I did it. And so here is my icy card for Yaleidy. And I love to layer, so first I use some packaging from, I keep all the cardboard packaging from Michael's and Prima and all those. I do keep them. And I cut them down to size, and then I covered them with this paper pad. I used a script and a music sheet note in the background, if you can see right there. That's a music sheet. Then I stamped with my Stampin' Up! This is a itty bitty background stamp set that I've had forever, and I used this stamp right here, and I stamped it all over the background. I added some crochet trim on the top and the bottom, some more lace, which I've covered, that goes all the way across. You can see a little bit here. Dug into my ephemera packs that I've collected over the years, and I dug out a postcard. Here's a tag that has postal. Some Dollar Tree stickers that I picked out and added. These are some beads that I think I got from Walmart. I spell Yaleidy down here. Here are just ephemera pieces. I think I already said that. Prima flowers, with some of those pearls that I got from Michael's. And these pearls are pearlescent looking, and they're so, so pretty. And I have pink, and I have some ivory ones here. Then I added some keys, some metal key charms, just here and there. Yeah. And that is my 4x6 icy card for Yaleidy. So, hope you like it, Yaleidy. This was getting me back into swing of things after such a tragedy, and I hope you like it. So, I put my information on the back. I distressed. I printed it out on paper. I have all my information here. I inked the edges in the back as well, and I'll be sending this out today, or hopefully today or tomorrow. So thanks everybody for watching. Hope you like it, Yaleidy, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.